If you want to make your long links clean, professional, and easy to share, then a link shorten like Linke can help you a lot. It's not only the shortens your link but also tracks how many people clicked them and where the traffic came from and how your campaigns were performing. With Linky, you can manage your links in one place, you can organize them, analyze them, and improve your marketing results without needing any technical skill. So, today I will talk about how Linky works, why it is very powerful or helpful for the creators and the marketers also, and businesses. Today, I will walk you through how Linky works, why it is helpful for creators, marketers, and businesses, and why the lifetime deal on AppSumo can save you a lot of money in the long run. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the best tools with the best discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the discounted deal. When you use our link from description, the discount is applied automatically without any code. Now let's talk about the Linky and why people love using the link shortens. The first reason is very simple. Long and messy links look unprofessional when you post them on social media or messages or emails. They take too much space. So short links look clean, easy to read, and easy to remember. Linky help you to turn the long links into simple short ones that can look clean and neat and also attractive. But Linky is more than just shortening. When you shorten a link inside Linky, the system starts tracking everything in the background. You can see how many people clicked on your link. You can see from which country they clicked and what device they used and which link is performing the best. This gives you the valuable data about the audience and helps you to understand what type of content they like. The dashboard is very beginner friendly. When you log in, everything is clean and simple. You see your links, your click, your states, and your top performing campaigns. You don't have to deal with complicated graphics or confusing numbers. Linky shows the information in a very easy way so you can quickly understand your performance. Another helpful feature is the link customization. You can change the end of the link to make it look like a branded. So, for example, you can turn a long product link into a short but including your brand name or keyword. This builds the trust and increases the chances of getting more clicks because people see or feel more confident to clicking on a clean branded link. And Linky also offers the QR code for every link. So this is very useful for businesses that want to share the links offline. You can print the QR code on posters, menus, packaging, or business card. When someone scans it, they go directly to your link and it is very fast and obviously simple and perfect for the restaurants, shops, events, freelancers, and service providers. Another strong part of Linky is link management. You can create folders to organize your links by project, client, or topic. These help you to keep everything tidy and especially if you use many links for marketing or business purpose. Now you can also update the destination of link anytime, even after you shared a short link in publicly. So you can change where it goes and this is called the link redirection and it saves you from mistakes or the outdated URLs. Linky also supports the deep analytics. You can see traffic sources, referrals, and performance pattern. This helps you to improve your campaigns without guessing. If a link gets more click on a certain platform, you can focus more on that specific platform. If a link performs better in a certain region, you can target that audience more effectively. The password protection feature is another useful option in Linky. You can protect a link with a password if you want only selected people can access it. This is great for exclusive content, private files, client documents, or special discount link. For marketers, Linky also support the UTM tags. With UTMs, you can track your campaigns in a more detailed way. You can see exactly which link brings the most conversions and which campaign performs the best. Even if you are a beginner, Linke makes the process easy because the builder guides you step by step. So now let's talk about the lifetime deal on AppSumo. Most of the link shorteners charge monthly fees, and the more features you want, the higher the subscription cost becomes. Over the time, this becomes expensive, especially for the small businesses, freelancers, or content creators. But with the lifetime deal of Linky on AppSumo, you can pay once and use the tool forever. So no renewal or no ongoing payments or no hidden charges. This saves you a lot of money and give you the long-term freedom. The lifetime deal usually includes unlimited link creation, the analytics, tracking, branded links, QR codes, link redirection, and all upcoming features. This means you get a complete link management system for a one-time cost. As Linky grows and adds new features, you receive them automatically without any extra payment. This makes the lifetime deal a very smart investment. Linky is great for YouTubers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, social media managers, advertisers, shop owners, and service providers. Basically, anyone who shares links regularly, they can be benefited by using it from clean, trackable, and optimized link. It makes your brand look more professional and gives you the insight that help you to make better decision. So to sum it up, Linky is simple, fast, powerful, and beginner friendly. It shortens your links, tracks everything, and helps you to optimize your content and saves you money with the lifetime deal. Whether you are running a business or building your personal brand, Linky can help you to improve your link performance easily. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and use the link from description to get the lifetime discount automatically. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.